Connected to the wood, people. YouTube.
Okay, you guys are in control of her.
Oh yeah.
Mom, what'd you make of this?
It's actually in the flipping wood. It looks kind of dangerous. What happens if the wood caught on fire? That's kind of not smart. Where is she?
Over there with Mom. Mom.
Vlogging, pretty much.
In IKEA. Look,
Oh, they're back over here?
I legit didn't even see this.
What?
Ceiling, it's cool.
Oh, look at that chandelier.
Oh, that was cool.
Teapot.
Look at the kitchen. Whoa.
Then say hi. She's like hiding. Candles. Nice try. It's a bathroom. Go see your mommy.
You guys got her? Lennon, you need to stay by us. Come on.
Grandma went to the bathroom. Or at least to try and find one.
Lennon, we don't do that. You need to stop.
Ah, wow. What is it?
This is what we need. What is this? This shower cabinet takes a very little space.
No. Christmas. Yeah. This is that. You come out on a deck.
Spiders, ants. See ants again?
Oh.
Whoa, look at the shower.
Where the hell's water going there? What the frick? That's the weirdest shower. Like, that's just gonna have water go everywhere.
Yeah,
The heck? What type of shower is that? Walk into a glass window.